Good morning families. In this video I will show you how to make moi moi. I have an order for moi moi and these are what she wanted in her moi moi. This is beef, it's already prepared. This is chicken spicy, garlic and salt, fish, crayfish, shrimps, bell pepper, scotch bonnet, egg, onions and the beans. And I'll be using foil to package it. Foil. I will show you how to also fold foil to use for moi moi. So stay tuned. So how do you fold your foil? It's very important so that it won't get open and the moi moi will waste. First of all, cut your foil. Fold it into two. Can see one, two, three, with this, and you can see it's open. With this, no matter what, it's not going to pour. You must fold it 3 or 4. I'm going for 4th one now for this. So you open and fold, you open and put your moi moi after blending. So that is what I'll be using today. So you can see I have a lot here. I folded the short ones and the long ones. It's time to blend the beans. Sorry. A lot of meat in here. You fold. You can see there is space. Put in the pot. So that is it. So you can see it in the pot. This is it. It's about to cook. We will not see the end, how it looks. But I know, I'm very sure it's going to taste good. Very simple. You can do it for your families. It's cooked. Let's try one. Let's try one. Opened. The folding was okay. And it's an easy way. This looks good. It's hot. I can't eat it now. But you can see the beef. It's hot. This is nice. Please, if you like it, try it in your home. Hit the subscribe button and see you in my next video. Please subscribe to Mom and Tree. Thank you. Bye.